video. So today I'll be doing a get ready with me. I partially did my makeup. I haven't did my lips yet, and I haven't did my hair. I haven't put my jewelry on or nothing, so I'm gonna keep that for y'all. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my lip combo, and I said my jewelry and my hair. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get the full process of my hair because I'm not sure if I'm gonna crimp it or just leave it like this, but we'll see. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my lip combo. It's crazy because I usually do like a nude. I still like the nude with the brown lip liner, but like one of my go-tos is like the burgundy. I'm gonna have to put y'all on because like this burgundy lip liner with the nude pink lip give you like that brat down look. Y'all know how they have like the burgundy outline on the brat downs? This, like, you gonna get that effect. So yeah, I'm gonna do this and show y'all what it is. I'm trying to see what color this is. Dark Soul. Okay, so this is NYX. This is the NYX lip liner in the color Dark Soul. And yeah, I always wanted to try like the burgundy lip liner. So yeah, I've been doing this for a little while. I haven't been doing it like that often. Like I said, I'm usually doing the brown lip, the brown and nude lip. And today I'm like, let me go ahead and pull out my burgundy again. And I got this on Amazon, so they might have this in the store, but I'll try to link this down below for y'all. But yeah, the burgundy lip liner, and then this is the nude pink that I'm going to use too. This is the Rimmel, however you say this, the R-I-M-M-E-L, Rimmel London. Stay Glossy, and the color Sunday Best. Today's Sunday. It's spelled the Sunday like the dessert, but since it's Sunday, I was thinking it's Sunday's Best, you know. But anywho, this is the clear gloss from the beauty supply store to get my lips popping afterwards. So yeah, let's get into it. I put a little Carmex on, but it's good. Y'all see this already? Like, it's giving that brat's look. Like, yeah. Y'all, so I'm going to link this down below because this is a look. Like, if you used to doing the nude, this is somewhat close to it, but it just give you that brat doll effect. Back up. Okay, that's enough for me. Now I'm going to squeeze too much out, but what? Get into it. Do y'all see that? Yeah, I'm telling y'all. Y'all gotta try this combo. Like, y'all gonna love this combo. This. This. But yeah, so that's the lip combo. Look, I'm loving it already. Ain't even did my hair, but y'all, it's giving. Like, it's giving what it's supposed to give. So I'm about to put my jewelry on. I gotta wash my hands since I didn't put all this lip gloss on. I didn't rub my hands together. So I'm gonna wash my hands and then I'm gonna put my jewelry on. Yeah, my next video, I'm gonna show y'all my makeup routine. I actually only use concealer. Like, I used to use foundations and stuff, and they just, I don't know, they just didn't really go. Like, they didn't match my skin. Maybe I just wasn't finding the right brands and stuff. But yeah, I started using concealer for my full makeup look, and it's like, I can't go back. Like, I have to use concealer every time now. So yeah, it's crazy because I love concealer, but I never would have thought to just use it on my entire face. But y'all, it's been doing it for me so far. But yeah, let me go ahead and put my jewelry on. I got on a two-piece set. I'm gonna just put on my jewelry to make it pop. You know, you gotta put your jewelry on and make your outfits look better. This is that. I'm gonna put another one on. I usually like to wear like 2 necklaces at a time. So this is the gold cross pendant necklace. And y'all, it's shining. Like, I don't know if y'all can see from here, but from in this mirror, that might shine bright like a diamond. Y'all, why did my voice almost go out? That mean don't do it. Shine bright. Okay. Layers. Do y'all see that? And this is the gold heart pendant necklace. These are like my go-to necklaces. Like, every time, I feel like it's really both of them for me. I love how they both sparkle. Okay, y'all, so I got my jewelry on. I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna come get back with y'all after I finish my hair because I have a lot to do. I have to flat iron my edges and baby hairs and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I finish that. Okay, y'all, that's the final look. These down below, as well as the lip combo. And yeah, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to y'all later. Thanks for watching. See y'all soon.